Hi guys, I'm Young and I got a really exciting package from rcgoing.com and it came in this box. Alright, so we are ready and it comes well packaged. Da-da-da! HUBSAN ZINO Mini Pro. It is a drone that I think many of us have been waiting for, and my question is it possibly the killer to DJI Mini 2, or at least, competitor to Mini 2. So I can't wait to unbox this. So in this video, I'm going to actually unbox it together with you guys, so you guys get the feel of what's exactly in the box. And in the next video, I'm going to do a full review of the actual drone, so you guys can, check across different YouTubers and see whether you like the drone or not. Scissors time. So inside the box, it is wrapped in plastic, so everything is kept clean. And yeah, recycle. And oh, I love it. It is in this really small bag. It is fully packaged. I love it when everything comes in a fully packaged in a bag. And the quality of the bag looks nice. It comes with like the front zipper, where you can put some stuff, maybe not a lot of things because it is rather the slit is rather small. So this is all very compactly packed, and inside, of course, the main thing is this tiny palm-sized drone. It is really small, don't you think? I mean, it is basically just like Mini 2. So I'm just gonna quickly unpack the drone. So all these propellers, and you can rotate it out. And at the bottom there seems to be some sort of protective plastic. I think it can be removed. I have to see the manual as well. So just to give you guys a quick view of the drone. So here the cap can be removed. And the battery, it can be removed from the back, I believe, like this. This is the battery, 3000 mAh. So here I'm just gonna insert it back. And the camera, it is clearly written 1/1.3 inch and 48 megapixel. And you can see that there are sensor here and here, the front sensor and also back sensor. And also at the bottom, there is a sensor here. So yeah, I think I can get a very decent obstacle avoidance with this drone. And there are vents at the side. And also at the side, it's clearly written 249 grams. The design very similar to Mini 2. So inside there is one more battery and also power adapter with one USB cable that can be inserted in, and a little box. And I think this is a charger for the battery. You can charge up to 4, but in my case, because it came with just 2 batteries in this package, I can charge 2 on the go. And then some random cables such as this one that connects between the RC to your mobile phone, and also a little screwdriver and a couple of USB cable. This is not type C, this is a micro 5 pin. I kind of wish it's in USB-C type, but they're not. And 2 spare joystick control pads, and also 6 sets of new propellers. Inside there is a zipper, and there are compartments which all can be detached as you wish. So here, the very last part, is the RC. Can you see? It is a little dark inside the bag, but yeah, da-da-da! The RC is here, and it does feel pretty big, quite a big chunk, but hopefully that will give very good signal. So the signal, it can be turned on, and just open it, and here I'm gonna find a little joystick that can be screwed in to make a joystick usable with your fingers. So I'm gonna get ready, charge everything up in the next couple of days. I'm gonna test it out and get back to you guys with a full review of this HUBSAN ZINO Mini Pro, whether it is worth the buck. So please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and see you!